Automatically think of gondolas. It's a city that's been built around the canal since the 5th century. The canals are around 150 randomly winding and crossing waterways that link the lagoon to the city's streets and squares. But Venice is more than just canals, it's a city ripe for exploration, with rich history and culture. One of the most popular spots is St. Mark's Square, lined with restaurants and cafes. The piazza is home to the Basilica di San Marco and the Doge's Palace. Don't forget to go up the Campanile di San Marco for the best panoramic view of the city. Make sure to take some time to explore the lesser-known areas of Venice. Get lost in the winding streets and discover hidden gems tucked away in the city. One of the most mysterious and intriguing spots is the Venetian Ghetto, the first ghetto ever made in the world. In the late afternoon, head to the Rialto Bridge to watch the sunset and take in the skyline. Venice is truly a city of wonder, waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures.